gusto ng person mo na gawin ng official yung relationship ninyo. And I'm sensing with the Six of Pentacles, there is a balance of give and take. So, hindi magiging draining itong relationship ninyo. The Hermit reverse, Ace of Wands. I'm sensing na in the past, nagkaroon ng big revelations ang relationship na to. So, Five of Cups reverse, pero na-overcome nyo naman yung mga challenges na pinagdaanan ninyong dalawa. And that's why there's a new spark, a new beginning, starting over again. Starting over again. Yung kanta na yun, starting over again, yun yung napipick up ko right now. And the Hermit reverse, I'm sensing that this person wants to explain himself to people, not totally explain in a verbally, but more on gusto niyang ipakita sa mundo na ikaw talaga yung gusto niya. Ayan. Yun sa throat chakra ko, parang may natatanggal na blockages. I feel like this person wants to express his love to you. Yung tipong ma-witness ng mga tao. Hindi siya takot na ma-witness ng mga tao. And I'm sensing na magkakaroon ng awakening. So, more realizations, mas magiging stronger yung relationship ninyo. That's because there's a balance of energy exchange, yin and yang, feminine and masculine energy. And the best thing nito is, yung person mo is proud din kasi siya sa'yo. So, ito din yung isa sa pinakamaganda. And follow for more.